Hi, I'm Kaitlyn with Milton Sunrooms here in Milton, Georgia. If you're considering adding a sunroom, one of the first things you'll want to know is, how do I obtain an estimate for a new sunroom? So let's walk through the easiest ways to get started. The fastest way to schedule your free in-home consultation is to call us directly at 470-805-3446. You'll get immediate help, and we can usually set your appointment right away. If you prefer to reach out online, you can visit miltonsunrooms.com, where you'll find a simple contact form you can fill out at any time of the day. Once we connect, we'll visit your home, review your space, discuss design options, and provide a clear, written estimate with no obligation. Again, to get started, call 470-805-3446 or visit miltonsunrooms.com. We're here to help you create the perfect sunroom for your home.